Hello everybody, today I'm showing you how I got this look. I went out with my friends and kicked a little bit, just chill, have some fun. I'm starting off with this LA Girl Pro Concealer and I am defining my brows as precisely as possible. I'm taking this color and I'm blending this toward the outer corner of my eye, leaving the middle blank for this color right here. I'm going to marry both of those colors, blend everything together seamlessly, cutting my crease, applying this on my lid with some liner, mascara, lashes, and these glow drops. I applied this on the high points of my face, and I applied the concealer right on top of where I put the glow drops. This is a dewy skin tutorial, so I will be using setting spray quite frequently. It just moistens the product and it just leaves my skin looking extra dewy. So I'm blending everything, making sure it's nice and seamless, and I'm setting my highlighted areas with this Maybelline loose setting powder. I'm using this Ruby Kisses Contour Duo, and I'm bronzing and contouring my face. Setting again after the powder application so it can look like skin instead of powder. Making sure it's dry first before the star of the show. I'm highlighting everywhere, mainly the high points, but everywhere. Then I'm adding my little flare. I like to add just a couple molds. I feel like that just makes me a little different, or maybe a lot of people do that. They probably do, but this is my second favorite part. Lips. I'm wiping off all the old chapstick or whatever makeup was on there so I can line them. I kind of overline my upper lip a little bit, but that's just me. I'm adding this peach gloss on top, and then on top of that I'm adding this clear crystal gloss. It's a lip topper. It's so beautiful. Blending out my forehead, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Hope you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.